How to find competitors' keywords in Semrush. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple to do with Semrush, so let's just go ahead and get started. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, click on the link down in the description. You should be able to find a link which is going to give you a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7. This is going to really prepare you for Semrush and make you get a feel for it before you actually subscribe. So just go down to the description and sign up from there. So how do we actually find the competitors' keywords in Semrush? First, you want to log into your Semrush account and you simply just want to go to the SEO tab on the left side here. Hover over it and then just go ahead and find competitive analysis and click on domain overview. Now from here, you simply just want to go ahead and add the domain of your competitor in here, and it's just going to give you plenty of keywords that they use, their rankings, and so on. So again, just add the competitor's domain over here and click on search. So once you do that, it's not just going to give you a lot of different keywords that they use, they're going to give you a lot of different information. But if you want to have the keywords, you simply just want to scroll down until you actually find them in here. So it's going to have top organic keywords, and also more things here like keywords by intent, and you can just view details on any of them. It's just going to give you more of that same thing. You also have more here about other competitors that are, around the same level. Same goes for here for top paid keywords. I think you would want to avoid this, but you are just going to go to the top here, for example, to the top organic keywords and click on view details. So once you click on more details, it's just going to show you a lot more information about the keywords. First, you're going to find a lot more keywords to choose from and be able to compare. And you're going to get a lot more depending on your plan. But also, you're going to be able to now see the volume of it, the KD of it, meaning the keyword difficulty, and also the traffic and where they actually position in. So I did pick a very tough competitor to go for here, but it's just going to depend with the competitor that you end up choosing as the domain. And you simply just want to filter out between them, see where they are positioned in, the ranking of such keywords, and the traffic, and also the possibility for you to actually rank high in them using the KD. But yeah, this is pretty much how to actually find the competitors' keywords in Semrush. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.